Well, this is the end of filming in this garage because I'm moving. So all my crap, it's kind of a train wreck in here. But this is where I've been filming most of my stuff, poorly. And here's my little paint booth. And of course right now it's full of garbage because I'm packing this stuff up today. And right over here is where I usually film my ATV repair videos and whatnot. Had some overhead storage there, some workbenches, crappy tools, another workbench here, which I'm just going to end up leaving. I had storage back here for like wood scraps, storage for longer boards. So I won't be making anything else new in this garage. I'm moving to a different location, and that place needs a lot of work, but it has a bigger shop, it has another pole barn, and some land, so I can do some riding and some tuning and hopefully better videos. So, time to say goodbye to this location, and we'll be in a new one soon.